Hi, I'm Kim,
And I'm Jess. We're here from Grant Sellers.
and with Making Tax Digital mandatory from the 1st of April 2019 for businesses with a taxable turnover over £85,000, we thought we'd answer a few of the questions that we've been getting from businesses. What information do I need to keep digitally?
You'll need to keep the company name and business address, the VAT registration number and the VAT scheme that you are on. You'll also need to record the time of supply, the tax amount of that supply and the tax rate.
You'll also need to include summary data, which is the information that makes up the 9-box VAT return.
What gets submitted to HM Revenue and Customs?
The same information as does now, so that's basically the 9 figures that are already on your VAT return. The only difference is under Making Tax Digital, your VAT return has to be submitted electronically through compatible software, whereas previously it could be submitted through the HMRC Government Gateway. How much will it cost?
If you're already on MTD compatible software, it shouldn't cost you any additional amounts. However, if you're on spreadsheets or manual records, there could be the cost of bridging software or cloud accounting software, any conversion costs and training that you'll need to be able to use that software. What suppliers information needs to be included?
No additional information relating to suppliers needs to be included. You can attach PDF copies of invoices to cloud accounting software, which will contain all the suppliers' information, but no additional suppliers' information needs to be manually entered onto software relating to Making Tax Digital. So what if I wanted to move software?
Software will let you export some data from it, and in some instances you'll be able to import this into other softwares. However, you will need to check before you do this. If you keep your PDF records, such as invoices, on a software, you may need to check with the software provider if you can export these as well, as you'll need to keep them for 7 years as currently required. Do I need a new HMRC Government Gateway login?
No, you don't need a new HMRC Government Gateway. Your software should prompt you when you come to file your first MTD VAT return to authorise HMRC to communicate with your software. Once you've done that, you should be able to submit your VAT return through your software, and it should take you through the process of how to do that.
All you need is your Government Gateway login ID and password to be able to submit your VAT return.
Won't this create extra work to enter all my information onto software?
If you're not already using software, then yes, most likely it will. However, we always advise our customers to keep their records up to date, as it's good for their business and enables them to keep track of their finances and their profits. Are there any penalties for not complying with MTD?
HMRC have the power to charge a penalty of up to £400 for failing to file a VAT return electronically currently. This will be extended to Making Tax Digital with regards to the obligation to file using functional compatible software. However, there will be a soft landing where a trader can show that they've made reasonable efforts to do so. There'll also be a soft landing for the first 12 months in relation to digital links between software. Will Making Tax Digital be applied to the taxes?
Yes, there is currently a pilot being run by HMRC for income tax, and it is likely that corporation tax will be reported on quarterly in the future. However, this won't come in until at least April 2020. What do I do now?
That depends on what you currently use to keep your records. We've included a link in the description to a flowchart which will enable you to see what your next steps are. If you need any support with Making Tax Digital, including conversion or training, please contact us to see how we can help your business.
Thank you for watching our video, and if you have any other questions, please contact us. Our details are in the description below.